Well, guys, the official first snow of the year. This is it, the real deal. It's been sending off flurries all day, but this is snow. We've had sleet and we've had flurries. It's been in the 30s all day, low 30s, and it's sticking on the ground. Does that show up? Yes, it shows up. This is the real deal. October 15th. And it's snowing. Oh, there's the sun. Welcome to Michigan weather. Yeah, typical Michigan. You can have rain, snow, sun, sleet. You can have all four seasons in a single day over here. See, I'd been gone for a long time, a lot of years, so I'd forgotten about Michigan weather. But I'll tell you what, being back for a while, it's all coming back to me now. You never know what's going to happen today. So, we'll see what happens. I have no idea. But it's supposed to get flurries all day, on and off. And we've just had like some slush. We've had some, I don't know, just some wet, sloppy, slushy mix. But nothing real. This is the first real snow coming down. Well, I'll keep you updated on what's going on as it progresses today. Let's go check the, you can see it flying. It's blasting. You can hear Michelle playing behind me. It's blasting through here. The wind is powerful today, too. Speaking of which, I've got to get my wind turbines up. I'm looking for some 20-foot poles. I've been asking around and looking around. I'm going to attach them to the solar panel towers, and I'm probably going to take out that single tree so I can do it. Each, one is going to go on the wood shop and one is going to go up here up front. I have two wind turbines from New York that I brought with me and kept. And I'm looking, like I said, I'm looking for 20-foot poles, and I'm going to put them up soon. Very, very soon here. Well, there's the sun, and the snow is diminishing for now, but it'll be back. Actually, 37. Eh, the glare. Ooh, terrible glare. Oh, I'm zoomed too. 37, it's not that bad out. It was 34 to 36 all day. It's a little warmer, but it is 2:40 in the afternoon. I've been working on DIY tube video all day today. Let's go have a look. There's DIY tube video community, where everybody gets paid for everything. Get paid for views, comments, thumbs up, and more. It is a troll-free community, so if anybody turns in abuse, they actually get rewarded. So everybody wins out on here. And it's been pretty clean. The trolls have tried to take it down repeatedly throughout the past, 8 months? 8-9 months it's been up. And they have really tried a lot of assaults, but so far it's still standing strong. There's nearly 700 members on DIY Tube Video Community already. We've got hundreds of, well over 100 and some odd thousand views overall. And we've got close to around 5,000 videos on the site. So it's really working out well. When you have an account on DIY Tube, and you're logged in, you have your wallet here, and it tells you how many coins you've earned. Oops, right up here, sorry. And you can buy coins, you can sell coins, you can trade them with people. You can transfer them and share them with each other. So if you like somebody's video, you can give them some coins as a bonus. When you get a certain amount of videos uploaded, you get 1,000 coins. And when you make your first certain amount of comments, you get 1,000 coins reward. Everybody gets rewarded here. So come on over to DIY Tube Video Community and check it out. By the way, I'm working on my electronics videos here and updating everything. I'd accidentally deleted some stuff, and I'm fixing it all over here right now. But this is the actual home of my electronics channel. See, there's commenting. It's a pretty cool site. Everything is here, and looks pretty good. There's the home page. Also, advertisers can self-promote. So advertisers can come on here and promote their own videos, all on their own. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, we're almost done integrating with the blockchain. That is a lot of work on here. And hopefully that'll be done pretty soon, the blockchain integration, which means you'll be able to go and shop for coins and buy and sell coins through the DIY Tube community site itself. And we are now compliant with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. So everything's fallen into place nicely. Well, I'm going to get back to what I'm doing here and keep you updated on the weather and everything going on. Talk to you later. It's been like this on and off all day. Blasting, driving wind. And flurries all day, but it's 36, 37 degrees, so it's not sticking. You can see, boy, that wind comes gusting through. Sometimes it just blasts through the yard. There comes a gust. Hope that shows up. But the wind comes gusting through. I want to get my wind turbines up. This time of year when the sun is rare and the wind is powerful, that's going to help me tremendously. So believe me, I'm working on it. It is in the plans. So, and I'm also going to do it right on along with the solar panels, for one, because they're firmly in the ground, and two, so the wires will be shorter. That's going to work out better that way. My drying rack right now is holding corn. I have it propped up on some cupcake tins, so they're hot to touch, but they're not unbearable. So the rack is not touching the wood stove, which is, by the way, hot to touch but not unbearable. It won't burn you. And then my corn is up here drying, and you can see there's actually a breeze. Can you see that? Just a convection. So there's air flowing from that wood stove. So that'll dry out pretty good. Unfortunately, some of the kernels started to sprout, so that one will probably be destroyed. But it's with the rest. I'm drying it anyway. But we'll see. Anyway, there it is. We're drying out the corn on the food drying rack. And when that's done, I'm going to be doing apples. Wow. I just don't want to go out right now. Wow. Oh, it calmed down. It's been gusting powerfully. That wind was driving, just blasting through here. There it goes again, picking up. It gets gusting, swirling around in circles and blasting through the property. There it goes fast. Look at that go. Boy, if it gets a couple degrees colder, we're in for trouble. We're in for it here. 75 inside. Warming up though. It's 37 out. Not bad. 4:30 in the afternoon. A cozy 75 degrees inside. Well guys, this morning I was out and processed more firewood. The stack is now much higher, and what I burnt today for heating the house, and we did burn today, came from the pile out back. My oak is getting a little bit bigger here. Now don't forget I've got 2 piles out in the front yard, and I started a 4th pile of firewood back here. Now this is the not so cured firewood. It's a year old, but needs to dry out. So it's cured but not dried. So this, now that it's split, is drying out beautifully, and so the rest of that pile out back will go up here. And this pile is about halfway down. It's actually maybe a little more. So 8 wheelbarrow loads I processed, or I hauled and stacked today. Hard to see it over there, but that was a massive amount of firewood I pulled out of here. 8 wheelbarrow loads. Once you stack it though, it sure doesn't look like much. But 8 wheelbarrows is about 10 to 16 days of burning in our house. So there's a bit of firewood left here. And then I'll have that done in another, another little bit of work. I can haul 8 loads and stack it before I want to take a break. And it's not that hard work, but we pick at things here and work different muscle groups throughout the day, so it makes it a good day.